Okay, guys. Another thing I want to say is my hunt right now is a lucky Rayquaza or a shiny. That would be insane. But I did another shadow raid, but I didn't catch that one either. Yeah, it's pretty sad. But I'm doing I think another one. Yeah, I'm gonna take schedule on this one. See what we can do. I'm going home, but I'm doing another legendary. I just met a friend. Yeah, and he traded a Rayquaza to me. Like I just need lucky Rayquaza. It's pretty important to me. As you can see here, it was traded. How old is it? Oh, it's from 2006, yeah. And yeah, isn't really the best Rayquaza. It's at least something. This Rayquaza's worse stats. I need 6 candies to like get my Rayquaza better, and at this point I'm just trying to get into 4,000, but that's gonna be like probably impossible. Yeah. Anyways, guys, goodbye. I give you an update when I get my lucky or shiny Rayquaza. Yeah.